Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck. I want to thank you for watching this video. Today I want to talk about how you can get started with Funnel X ROI, especially if you're on a budget. Some people have come to me and asked me, do I have to sign up with each and every one of these income streams if I don't want to? Maybe I want to take my time and sign up with some of them, but not with all of them. And I tell them, yeah, you can start off with just signing up with a couple of these income streams, and then you can sign up with the other income streams later on if that's what you want to do, especially if you're on a budget. So this is what I tell people. The first two income streams. The first income stream is the business opportunity. That's where you're going to make the most of your money, because the product levels range from $25 all the way up to $2,000, and those are 100% commissions that you can get from those product levels. So that's where you're going to make the majority of your money from. So I tell people, make sure you sign up for the first income stream, which is the business opportunity, and also sign up for the second income stream, which is the email autoresponder that you're going to need in order to build your email list and follow up with your leads. Okay, and as I said, video after video after video, the reason you want to build an email list is because 99% or more of the people who see your offer the first time will not sign up in your business opportunity. Okay, they need to see your business opportunity, your offer, several times before they join you. That's why you need to build an email list of those leads so you can follow up with them every single day. Okay, it could take, some people, it could take them months before they decide to join you in your business. Okay, so that's why it's important to build an email list. And yes, you need an email autoresponder in order to do that. So, excuse me, on here, join the business opportunity. Second, join at the highest level you can. The business opportunity is easy one up. Like I said, they have product levels from $25 all the way up to $2,000. Join at the highest level you can so you could be eligible to receive those larger commissions. Okay? And, if you don't understand all of that, don't worry about it. Once you get into Funnel X ROI, there are step-by-step videos that will explain to you what the products are, how much they cost, and why it is a good idea to sign up at the highest level you can in order to make those larger commissions. Okay, all of that will be explained to you inside Funnel X ROI. Next, after you've signed up with the business opportunity, you create your email autoresponder account. Again, there are step-by-step videos from the creator of Funnel X ROI. His name is David. He walks you step by step on how to create your account in the email autoresponder, how to create your affiliate account so you can get commissions as an affiliate for the email autoresponder, and how to set all that up and plug it into the Funnel X ROI system so you get credit for the commissions. Next, after you've done those first two, you don't have to sign up for the other income streams if you don't want to. You can start promoting Funnel X ROI right away. Okay, so the way to promote Funnel X ROI, you can just use the traffic training that David has. You go all the way down where it says how to promote and start earning commissions. You click on that, and this is where he reveals his secret traffic source. And there's a over 50-minute video where David shows you how to drive traffic to your sales funnel, which is Funnel X ROI. Okay, so what you do is you go to links, click on your links to promote, and you can pick any of these lead capture pages, also known as squeeze pages. You just take the link for it right here, give it to the traffic, the person who's selling the traffic, under that how to promote and start earning commissions. His secret traffic source, you give that link to the traffic provider, you pay for the traffic, and they'll start sending traffic to your link to Funnel X ROI. And that's how you generate leads, okay? And that's how those leads end up on your email list, okay? And then you follow up with them. It's very easy to follow up with them. There's like an 80-day email follow-up series that David wrote himself, and you just plug it into your email autoresponder. You don't have to write the emails yourself. They're already written for you, okay? So everything is pretty much done for you. All you have to do is set up the system. Now, once you start promoting Funnel X ROI, you're building your email list, the email follow-ups are going out to your list every day, you'll start seeing commissions coming in, okay? I cannot tell you how long it will take for you to start earning commissions. For some people, it could take a week, it could take the next day, it could take a month. As for me, it took me about a month and a half for me to receive my first commission. So you need to be patient, okay? As long as you're doing the income producing activities you need to do every single day, eventually you'll start seeing commissions, okay? And those income producing activities, again, is driving traffic to your link to Funnel X ROI, building your email list with those leads, and then having those email follow-ups going out to your leads every single day. Eventually, you'll start seeing commissions coming in. Now, once commissions start coming in, they'll be coming in from the business opportunity. Use a portion of those commissions to join the other income streams inside of Funnel X ROI, and also use a portion of your commissions to do upgrades. If you didn't upgrade initially, you can use a portion of those commissions to upgrade in some of these, okay? And that's how you start working this Funnel X ROI system. Very simple. Just join the first two income streams first, start promoting it using David's secret traffic source and using your link. So you don't need your own website, you don't need to create your own lead capture page. All you do is use the link to one of the lead capture pages already in this system, give it to the traffic provider, pay for the traffic, they'll start sending the traffic to your link, people will start opting in, submitting their email address to get more information about Funnel X ROI, and they end up on your email list. The email follow-ups series starts going out to your list every single day, and eventually you'll start making commissions. You take a portion of those commissions to get into the other income streams and to do upgrades if you need to. That's it, okay? That's how you get started. So if you're ready to get started with Funnel X ROI, go ahead and click the very first link below this video in the description area, and you'll find out more information about Funnel X ROI, and then you'll be invited to activate your own free Funnel X system, okay? It's free to activate this system and get your own Funnel X ROI. So when you activate, this is the page you'll land on, your own Funnel X member dashboard, and then it'll walk you through the steps of setting up your system and your income streams, okay? So go ahead and click that very first link below this video, and I'll talk to you soon.